you doing? This is Coach DeCarlo. What I want you to know is that these principles work in every aspect of your life. Recently, I had some issues with my vehicle, and so I started calling around to a couple of shops in the area, and I was able to get an appointment for the following day after calling a number of repair shops. So I take my car in, and I know that, of course, it's going to be a wait. So finally, after waiting about 4 hours, the manager calls me up and says, listen, you do have a problem with your vehicle, but in order to get that problem fixed, it's going to run you $1,000 to get the problem fixed. And I said, well, I'm not willing to do that at this time. I said, allow me to look at some other means before I give you guys $1,000. So let me go to the path of least resistance first. And then if I need to come back, I'll come back and pay the $1,000 plus. So as she was giving me the rundown on what needed to be repaired, she said, one of the things you need to have repaired is the cap on your radiator. So in my mind's eye, I began to revision. So as I left outside the shop and I took the tally of everything that needed to be done on the vehicle, I saw in my mind's eye her saying the only thing that needed to be repaired is replacing the radiator cap, and that would take care of the problem. So I went to the local dealership and I purchased the radiator cap. I put the radiator cap on, and since that time, which has been almost a week now, I haven't had any other issues with that vehicle. So of course, the radiator cap cost me about $28. The actual inspection cost me about another $24, but the revisioning was priceless. And it saved me, of course, well over, $900. So I've seen this work for many people in many different ways. So try it before you pay a bucket load of money on something you may or may not need. And I'm not discounting that, of course, there was some issues going on with the car. My job was to do whatever I could before paying someone $900. Again, this is the art of revisioning. And this is Coach DeCarlo saying, have a great and abundant day.